Hey everyone, this is me Mohammad Ibn Abdullah, and today we have our special guest Rafida. So Rafida, how are you doing?
Well, I'm great. And how are you today?
Yes, I'm also doing cool. So Rafida, could you give a brief introduction of yourself?
Sure. Hello everyone, it's me Tajrin Hussain Rafida, studying in grade 7 in Bristol Nurhat Public College.
Okay, that's great. So you're in which school are you studying in?
As I mentioned, in Bristol Nurhat Public College.
Okay, so you must be in grade 7, right?
Yeah. And what's your grade?
Okay, so right now I'm in grade 8. I'm studying in Shohid Academic School and College. So, Rafida, I would like to ask you that do you love your school?
I love my school because the teachers are really cooperative with me and I have a really great school and the environment is really clean. And can you explain about your school?
Yeah, so if I say about my school, so firstly, my school's name is Shohid Academic School and College. It's a really amazing school. It's situated in Tangal. The environment of my school is amazing, and also I really have nice friends and teachers over there. So I would like to ask you that, do you have some good friends in your schools?
Yeah, I have a really good classmates and they're really cooperative with me and they give me so motivation and they're really good in studies. So I love my classmates so much. And
Okay.
do you have best friends or classmates?
Yes, I have a best friend, and he also helps me during the class and different activities.